Hello, this is D.R.ANNA, once more with GCE Crypto Team. I am here again today to talk to you about this amazing decentralized AI system that is called D.AI.SY that just got launched on the TRON blockchain literally 2 days ago, 3 days ago, as at the time of this reporting. We're going to go through what D.AI.SY is and how it works, and it's been an amazing program because it combines crowdfunding techniques with equity in the company and also trading profits at the same time. So in this way, everybody benefits. So if you would like to know a system that takes advantage of advances in crowdfunding technologies, in smart contract technologies, and profits, for everybody, this is it. So please join me. Let us go through this D.AI.SY system, an amazing system that just got launched on the blockchain, and this is the time to jump in. Okay? All right, what is D.AI.SY? As you can see on my screen, it's a decentralized AI system. But before we go into all the details, let me kind of go through the disclaimers. That simply says that when you purchase the packages, it is a contribution to the equity crowdfund for the D.AI.SY AI development. This is not a trading investment. We are using the company called Endotech that gives both its shares of stock in the company and profit sharing for the trading results to each contributor as crowdfunding rewards. So prior to Endotech going public, the stock will be rewarded to each crowdfund contributor. They will require a KYC verification of each member's legal identity before any shares of stock can be rewarded. In the case that Endotech does not go public, the equity will be converted into dividends for each member. So the trading profits will be used for the purposes of testing and developing a new Endotech AI system. Past performances does not guarantee future results and is for informational purposes only. So hopefully everybody understands that. This is all the information. This is not an investment. Everybody's results will be different. Okay, you'll have full transparency with this platform for each crowdfund member. Okay, they will be designating 46% of the funds to smart contract for marketing via the referral rewards program. So D.AI.SY is currently not available in the US. All right, what is D.AI.SY? Let's get into it a little bit. It is an equity crowdfund model for financial technologies. Okay? It is not a company, it is a decentralized smart contract that is built on the TRON blockchain. Okay? But the amazing thing about this system is that it has a model where everyone can win. You will win with profits, you can win with equity, and you can win with income. So currently, it is crowdfunding the Endotech for the D.AI.SY AI project. And contributors will receive stock equity and profit rewards. Okay? So the company we work with here is Endotech. Who is Endotech? It is a technology partner for the D.AI.SY crowdfund. Like I've said here, the global fintech company that has been around since 2012 and is publicly traded. Will be publicly traded in 2022. Currently providing AI trading systems for top financial institutions. So the amazing thing is that Endotech has been around, has been producing consistently high performance results. And this is an opportunity for the common person to get into it and benefit from this. It is founded by Dr. Anna Becker and operated by top AI scientists around the world. Just some more information on Anna, Dr. Anna. She's the founder and she's very well respected in the community. Has a team of more than 20 that has produced more than 20 proprietary AI systems, and is also known like a child prodigy. At age 20, she has an algorithm that is now widely used in applications, operating systems, databases, and so on and so forth. So she knows what she's talking about. Okay? With a PhD in artificial intelligence at the elite Technion University in Israel. Dr. Anna Becker has founded and sold several AI companies in the fintech space, and is now working with Endotech as a CEO. So our funds are in good hands. Just some additional information on Anna can be found in their website, indotech.io. Okay? So this is what the D.AI.SY will look like when you pull it up on the screen and when you look at it on the back end. Okay? Like I said, this project just launched. Let me just show you a little peek of the back end that is shown there. That's the Endotech company website, indotech.io. Anybody can go in and look at the past performance. They have different trading strategies that they use, alpha and beta. But we're not going to go into all that. In addition, one can also look at some of the on the official Telegram group. It shows some trading performance. So this is, for instance, it shows you almost on a daily basis. Today is January 11th, 2021. Performance of this particular one has started with 2 BTC, has now been grown up to 7.14 BTC. So an annual return of 85%. Okay? For this alpha strategy that it shows you. It shows you actually some more details. If you go into the website, you can see much more details. This one that we just shown started July 15, 2020 through January 11th today. And you see the profit. They do have winning and losing months, but at the end of the day, the key thing is to come out on top. So there's full transparency with this company, which is what I love it. So you can see another, a different one that has generated an annual return of almost 1,000%, 987% in this case. So these reports are there for everyone to see. It is very transparent, and they've consistently generated these results, and we and everybody, and typically D.AI.SY works with, companies. If you look at, some more information on their website, you'll see all the major players, pricing. Typically, as we said before, it is really uses institutional licenses. So this new project, this new crowdfund project now gives the ability of everybody to partake in these some of these amazing results. Before they would typically work with, 125K will be the entry fee for the cost. So we're glad we're part of this, and it is awesome. Okay, so let's go back to the presentation and continue and to go into the details on how this program works. Okay, this also shows you the company roadmap, where we're headed. Endotech was registered in 2012, and 2018 they started crypto AI trading, and they've had consistent results since then. Okay, so in 2017 they started crypto AI trading, was developed, and then went into commercial use in 2018. As of last year, they were valued at over $100 million. D.AI.SY crowdfund project just launched in 2021, and we're in phase 1 of the development of the D.AI.SY AI project. The plan is to raise over 500 million of assets under management for D.AI.SY. So amazing things are coming up. Hopefully by 2022, the project will be complete and Endotech will go public. Okay? And other new features like forex trading will be added. All right. How do you get rewarded for being a part of this amazing project? Okay. Up to 10 crowdfunding tiers that you can choose from, starting at just $100. So this gives an opportunity for a wide tier of people to join in this combination of profits, income, and equity. So every contributor gets their equal share of 5% of the Endotech stock, and 50 to 70% of each contribution is used in trading for the development of the new AI system. 70% of the trading profits are rewarded back to the contributor. 15% of that goes back to the referral plan. Okay? You can withdraw your trading rewards at any time, and all members are able to participate in the D.AL.SY referral program, which pays up to 46% of each contribution. All right, now this is really a pictogram of how it works. We use TRON on the blockchain, so you'd have to install a TRON wallet to get this going. Once you have your TRON wallet and then you load some TRON into it, then that is used to make the contributions to the D.AL.SY program. Okay? 50 to 70% of those contributions will be channeled into live trading and then the other, what's left will go into the D.AL.SY fund. Now, once you've made your contribution, how do you get paid? Now, the D.AL.SY fund, is managed by Endotech, which is the trading arm that has the AI systems. They will run it, and then 85% of the profit from trading goes back into your trading wallet. Okay? And then on the other hand, with the referral plan, same thing. You can make up to 46% payout. It will come back to you in your wallet. So why do we use TRON, the TRON blockchain? Okay? We know all the issues that are currently available there with the Ethereum platform with high fees. TRON also allows automated interaction between members and D.AL.SY. It removes the need for a company to be in control. So essentially, everything can be executed instantly with 100% transparency on the TRON blockchain. It is fast, it is scalable, the gas fees are low, and also allows all the computation that goes on with the smart contracts to be done effectively. TRON is also, in addition to all this, a top emerging decentralized app platform with a big future. We strongly believe that TRON tokens are expected to rise in value. At this time, TRON has been hovering about 33 cents, and we hope that this will eventually increase in value as we go on. Okay. All right, how do you earn passive income with this opportunity? You gain benefits even if a member does not refer anyone, which has been a problem for some people. They run away from these things because they don't want to refer people. Now, in this scenario, you can still benefit by, number one, owning some equity in Endotech, so potential return from selling Endotech stock or receiving dividends in the future. Okay, that's one way to benefit from this without doing passively. Number two is trading rewards. Okay, where you get potential rewards from successful trading performance of the Endotech's AI system. And we've seen these performances, they've been completely amazing. Potential matrix spillover is the other way you can make money on this, because you can generate a maximum of 48% on crowdfunding contribution from spillovers in the referral plan, even without referrals. Okay, the way it's set up. Okay, all right, which shows you we have different tiers, and we'll go into the details on how this works. All right, this is how you fund the D.AL.SY AI system. Like we said, there's 10 crowd fund tiers. The entry is the minimum tier, which is the $100 tier. So someone can get into this program with $100, and then you can also get into the different tiers up to tier number 10. You can see the amounts for each. This is the total funded. So to get to tier number 6, you would have funded $6,300 into the project. So, and all the contributions from tier 1 through tier 7, it will go 50-50. 50% goes into the trading fund, and then the other 50% goes into the referral fund. Okay? So this is a breakout of really works, and it shows you the shares and 5% equity in the Endotech stock that you get. Okay. So how does the referral plan work? Okay. Now, apart from passive income, definitely, if somebody wants to kick this up, he can participate in the referral plan, which has instant payouts in different ways. It pays up to 46%. Okay. So upfront, you can make some money doing this. There's a 3x10 first matrix bonus that you get. There's personal referral bonuses, check matching bonuses, pace setter bonuses, and infinity bonuses, which we'll go into a little shortly here. Okay. On the trading side, you can make residual income from trading profits. Okay. There's 10 generation unilevel trading bonuses. There's infinity residual bonuses, and then of course there's stock equity that everybody is entitled to, okay, which includes the pace setter bonus. Now let's go into some of these things in a little more detail. Okay, so the first instant income you make from this plan is what they call a personal referral bonus. Okay, so 5%. It's a direct bonus you get from your personal referral. So when you bring in somebody and they contribute at a certain level, 5% of that comes back to you as a referral. No qualifications required. Now, there's a first matrix bonus, okay, where you can actually get, it's a 3x10 matrix that we have. So everybody has a first generation that can only be 3 people. So you can fill in the rest of your generation, yourself, or it can also be done through spillovers, definitely. So it shows you where case number 2, where your generation can be filled out through spillovers from your upline. So you have contribution tiers, and these contribution tiers, it shows you for each contribution, the requirements that you have to unlock the commissions as you go along. So you can only unlock, the next successive commission after you get the previous one. So each contribution tier that you fund lets you earn when those same tiers are funded within your metrics. That means, depending on your funding tier, it determines, the tiers that you can earn from in the matrix. All right. So the matrix bonuses look like this. So your first generation, there are no requirements. You will always earn 4% for tiers 1 through 7, and then 2% for tiers 8 through 10. Okay. So if everybody, assuming you have 3 members in your first generation, okay, you can make a total of up to $12 from those 4% contributions at the $100 level. Okay. If everybody, your first generation there goes, from tiers 1 through 7, potentially that's the income you can make. And the same thing with your second generation. Okay. So these can be members that are coming in under your tier. There is no requirements for personal sponsorships. And so these are things that you can make, even if you don't require anybody. Now, for generations 3 through 10, there are requirements that go with that. So in this case, you'll need 3 personals, and then meet the total funded by your referrals to be $1,000 for generation number 3. Okay. So for you to open up that matrix bonus, which can pay you 3%, 3%, or 1.5% at the higher tiers, between 8 to 10. Okay. So it shows you the potential income that can come from this as you work this program. Even on just the 3rd generation, it is possible. If you get your 3 gets up to 10,000, you can get up to $10,000 from if your tiers 1 through 7 are completely filled, and of course that you've also purchased at that level before you can get this. So there's tremendous potential here, up to $154 million. If everything is completed, that's the maximum, definitely. So typically, people come in and walk it down, but there's great incentives that are put into the program for you to, pick this up, especially at the beginning. Okay? So this is a compressed matrix, which means that It is locked at 10 generations. You earn from all member tiers that you bought in any generation you qualify for. And if you don't qualify for the bonus, okay, they do not hold it for you, or compress. However, the higher tiers, when purchased, those will go to the higher tiers. Now, the check matching bonus. So this means that 10% of contributions of the bonuses that you get from your direct sponsored members will come back to you. So if your member makes $100 in a matrix bonus, then you get 10% of that. Okay. So this matrix bonus qualification level determines how many levels of matrix bonus from your personals you will match. Okay. So you can match matrix checks from contribution tiers not higher than yours. Okay. So the same thing, if you're the 6th generation, you cannot be matching at the 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10th generation. Okay. So you earn 10% from matrix bonuses of personally sponsored members generated from 5 generations. If you are the $100 contribution tier, you earn only at the $100 matrix. All right, this is the big one, pace setter bonuses. Okay, this pace setter bonus is a big incentive. Okay, and this rewards momentum when you start. Okay, so it says that if you unlock any matrix levels 3 through 9 in your first 30 days, you get the next matrix level unlocked for life. So you unlock up to 3 to 4, say on 4th generation, with six people and 2,000, then they automatically unlock it if you do that in your first 30 days. And as you progress, and if you are able to unlock all your generations, okay, and unlock level 10 in your first 30 days, you become what they call a pace setter. Okay? Pace setter bonuses can be huge. As you can see, it says you get profit sharing of 1.1% of all crowdfunding and an equity share of 5% of Endotech stock. So 1.1% of all the crowdfunding contributions is set aside for pace setters. So the earlier we can get to that pace setter status, definitely the better for us. And the more people and the less the reports. But if you can get to it, this is constant stream of income. Okay? Really huge. So, if you get 1.1% of every contribution worldwide, this is, just to explain this a little more, it's divided between all qualified pace setters and pays out instantly. That means you can have TRON hitting your wallet on a constant basis every day. Thousands and thousands of deposits, okay, from every single contribution made by every single member. So if there are 5 million transactions on the smart contract, you get paid 5 million times as long as you qualify. So this could be huge, definitely. So there are 3 categories of members. So you can go from tiers 1 through 7, where 50% of your contributions goes to the D.AI.SY fund. And then the other level, 8 through 10, 70% goes to the D.AI.SY fund. Once you've gotten up to the 10th level, you can now become a VIP member, okay, where 100% goes to your personal account. How does that work? So you become a VIP member, it becomes after entry level 10, okay? 100% of your funds go into trading. They will require a $20,000 minimum deposit. Now the funds stay in your wallet. They set it up with the API, and then basically 5% setup fee goes to Endotech, which at this point is a promotion. And then after that, it could be higher, definitely. But you keep 80% of the profits, and they send 10% goes into the referral rewards plan. So it's also an amazing opportunity. You can see from this short and quick video, there's lots and lots of incentives, to join in D.AI.SY. So I encourage you, after you watch this video, download an approved TRON wallet app We generally use TRON link. Right now it's tronlink.org. You can download an app into your PC or your phone, and then prepare some TRON equivalent. Okay, the minimum is $100, but you can load as many as you can, and I encourage you to get to as many levels as you can. You get a link from your referrer, which we will leave at the bottom of this video. If you want to join us in this endeavor, please purchase a minimum entry level and secure your spot in the matrix. This is going to be huge. Right now, like I said, let's make history together.